Connection established. Welcome. Are you tired of living in a poorly lit home? Do you wish you had the ability to control your lights with just a few taps on your smartphone? Look no further than the Shelly Duo Bulb, the smart bulb that will transform your home lighting experience. With the Shelly Duo Bulb, you have complete control over the brightness and the color of your lights. Want to set the mood for a romantic dinner? Simply adjust the color of your lights to a warm, intimate hue. Need to brighten up your workspace? Turn up the brightness to help you stay focused and alert. Shelly Duo Bulb isn't just about convenience and style. It also offers advanced features that will make your life easier. With the scheduling feature, you can set your lights to turn on and off automatically, so you'll never have to worry about coming home to a dark house again. And with the ability to control your lights from anywhere using the Shelly app, you can easily turn off forgotten lights or create a welcoming atmosphere before you even step foot in the door. In the box, we get the Shelly Duo Bulb and the user manual. Price of this Shelly Duo Bulb is around $17, which is pretty expensive if looking that you can buy normal LED bulb for around $3 for a piece. But price is in the normal range if comparing it to the other Wi-Fi bulbs, as far as I saw on the web. This is LED bulb with up to 9 watts of power. Wattage is reduced if you play with the dimming option of the bulb. Luminous flux is 800 lumens. Color temperature is from 2700 to 6500 kelvins. Color rendering index CRI is 80. It has a lifespan of 25,000 hours, which is almost 3 years. This bulb has specs similar to the other normal LED bulbs. The difference is that this one has a support for Wi-Fi connection. It has a 2.4 GHz 802.11 BGN module and is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, iOS and Android devices. This solution seems pretty good if looking from the user perspective and as a plug-and-play solution. I also made a review of the Shelly humidity and temperature Wi-Fi sensor, which is also a cool, almost plug-and-play solution. So check out my other video about it if you're interested. The Shelly Duo Bulb is easy to install and works seamlessly with your existing Wi-Fi network. And with its compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, you can control your lights with just your voice. You can plug it to the power and open the app where the app search for it, and it should find it after a short period of time. Once you see the Shelly Duo, tap it to add it and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. And now you are ready to control it. If you allow the connection to the Shelly Cloud, you will be able to control it from anywhere in the world with internet connection. With a simple tap on power button, you can turn it on and off. Under it, with the slider, you can control the dimming. On the circle slider, you can pick the color temperature. In the settings tab, you can do a bunch of things. From simple ones like set the name for your bulb, create scenes where you have saved the settings and activate with one tap. You can create schedules for when to turn on and off the bulb automatically at specific times. This can be useful and can save energy and ensure that your lights are always on when you need them. You can set a timer to turn your bulb on and off after a certain amount of time has passed. If you have a compatible voice assistant, you can customize the voice commands to control your bulb. You can also see how much energy your bulb is consuming and track your usage over time. Of course, Shelly app support the device sharing, where you can share control of your bulb with other users, such as family members or roommates. These are just a few things you can do in the settings tab of the Shelly app. The app is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, so you can easily customize your Shelly Duo Bulb to suit your preferences. Okay, for the final thoughts on the Shelly Duo Bulb. I would say this is a good solution if you want or need to have a smart light bulb and have some space with one light source and doesn't want or can't install a smart switches to control this one bulb. In case you have the multiple bulbs, probably it's cheaper to leave the normal lights and install one smart switch to control all of them from one place. I haven't tested the Shelly bulb for a longer period of time, so I can't confirm the lifespan and consumption over time. I'm not sponsored by the Shelly, but if I would need to sell you this light bulb, I would say something like this. Don't settle for dull, uninspiring lighting in your home. Upgrade your space today with the Shelly Duo Bulb and experience the magic of smart lighting. And that's it. In case you appreciate my work and want to support me, become my Patreon member and use my affiliate links in the description. Thanks. I hope you learned something new and found useful information in this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like it, and if you want to see more content like this, subscribe. Good luck.